You must have used Google Maps to navigate to a location, but what if I told you you can also use it to make money? Yes, that's right. With no investments and skills required, you can start making money today using just your phone, regardless of where you live. Let's get right into it. Open Google Maps and search for a service followed by a location. For example, search for carpenters near Nob Hill, Colorado Springs. You'll see several red markers on the map, indicating local businesses that provide carpentry services. Now scroll down and you will find more business profiles. If I click Accurate Image Co., I can see their address, website, and contact details. Stay with me until the end and I will explain this method step by step. I promise it's easy and practical, allowing you to start making money from day one. So what's the idea? We're looking for offline businesses with poorly optimized business profiles on Google. Our goal is to help them improve their profiles to rank higher in search results and attract more customers. Take the example of this particular business with low ratings and unappealing photos, and they haven't even claimed their business on Google. As a result, search engines don't recognize them as a real business and lose customers to their competitors. Imagine if you could fix these issues for them. Don't you think they would be willing to pay you $100 or $200? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't worry, even if you're unfamiliar with optimizing Google business profiles, we'll learn how to do it shortly. You can move on to the next step once you've found at least 15 to 20 businesses with poor profiles. However, if you're still having trouble, you can try searching for different services like plumbers, electricians, painters, etc. Changing the location might also yield different results. Now contact each business one by one. Explain how Google's business profile works and how their competitors steal customers. Describe your services and how you can help optimize and improve their business rankings on Google. Present your best pricing offer and close the deal. On average, you can expect to convert 1 or 2 clients out of every 10, depending on your target client and the effectiveness of your sales pitch. Here's a pro tip. Start by cold calling clients you think are least likely to accept your offer. This way, you'll gain valuable experience dealing with clients and build confidence in presentation. Let's say you've successfully closed a client. How do you deliver the service without knowledge of Google business profiles? There are 2 options available to you. First, you can hire someone from platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and pay them around $50 to $100 to handle the task for you. Alternatively, you can choose to do it yourself. To find a suitable freelancer, visit Fiverr.com and search for Google Business Profile. You'll come across various offers varying prices from $10 to $150. Engage in conversations with freelancers to discuss the desired results and services they can provide. Keep in mind that the pricing they advertise is often negotiable. Try to negotiate as much as possible and make them understand that you will bring them more business if this initial deal succeeds. By conveying this, you can build a mutually beneficial relationship, and they'll be motivated to do their best for you. If you prefer to handle the task yourself, you must learn the necessary skills first. Visit youtube.com and search for tutorials on how to rank Google business profiles. You'll find numerous free videos to guide you. Take the time to learn everything from A to Z and start implementing the strategies. The ranking factors for a business profile typically include their address, working hours, contact details, website, photos, and customer reviews. It's crucial to comprehensively understand these factors before diving in. The advantages of doing it yourself are that you'll acquire a new skill and keep 100% of the profits. However, there are some drawbacks as well. You'll need to invest your time and effort into achieving results for your clients, which could be time that could otherwise be spent on finding new clients. Ultimately, the choice is yours based on your preferences and circumstances. Before we conclude this video, here are some tips to remember. It's important not to give up after your first cold call. Building a profitable business takes time and persistence. Take your time to refine your sales presentation and master your approach. Remember, your clients are primarily interested in what you can do for them, not how smart you may be. Focus on conveying the value you can provide. When making cold calls, contacting businesses that speak your language fluently is advisable. This ensures smoother communication and a better presentation of your offer. Additionally, consider exploring untapped opportunities by visiting local shops in your neighborhood. Identify businesses that haven't yet created their profiles on Google and approach them in person to explain your services. By doing so, you can stand out from individuals who are solely contacting businesses from the comfort of their homes. I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know in the comments if this method works for you. Your feedback and positive results motivate me to create more videos like this. If you're interested in learning how to create eye-catching logos using free AI tools and how to make money online, click on the video displayed on the screen. Thank you so much for watching.